As with any major home purchase or big purchase that you're going to make, having the warranty and knowing what it means is crucial. So today I'm here with Tyler from BVI Solar because warranties are exceptionally important when it comes to going solar. And you told me there's 3 facets we need to pay attention to when it comes to our solar warranty. What are those?
Yes, so there are 3 factors in every warranty. The first one is equipment, the second one is installation workmanship, and the third one is roof penetrations. So equipment is pretty standard. If you're getting a top tier equipment product, you're going to get a really good warranty. But those equipment warranties are only as valuable as the installation workmanship, because if they're not installed properly, that manufacturer warranty is voided.
So when it comes to comparing our solar company A to company B, when it's the same equipment, we can consider that kind of apples to apples, and then it really comes down to the installation, and that's a totally different warranty.
Exactly. So in that scenario of a company A versus company B, you have all those 3 warranties coming into play. So company A might have a longer installation workmanship warranty than company B, same with the roof penetration warranty. Now, in the end, those installation and roof penetration warranties are dictated by the viability of that company staying in business. If either of those contractors go out of business and they don't have some sort of insurance policy or a backstop by a major manufacturer, such as CertainTeed or someone of that caliber,
which BVI has,
which we do have, then that homeowner could be left high and dry on those 2 warranties.
Which is absolutely not where we want to see our viewers end up at all. So let's dig into what roof penetration is, because I'm thinking just holes in the roof, and that means leaks, and that means big problems for me as a homeowner.
Exactly. So any standard 5 kilowatt solar system will have anywhere from 40 to 60 holes in their roof. And that doesn't even include if we have to put conduit through your roof or drop through the eave or any of those aspects. Likewise, you're also going to have guys stepping on your roof, maybe breaking tiles, that sort of thing. So it's really important that your roof is secured from that contractor. So when you are going ahead and doing a proper installation, you're going to have to flash that, flashing is what it's called.
Okay.
And so when you just drill it into the rafter, you're going to want to seal it with some roof caulking or geocell, and then you're going to want to put some roofing paper over it to make sure that it's nice and tight in there. Now that does change based on the type of roof you have. The process I just described is more for a tile roof, which is this house right here. If you're doing a comp shingle roof, which is pretty standard, there's a different process. But in the end, if it's not done right, you are going to have leaks. And that's where you as a homeowner are going to experience a lot more issues down the road, such as mold or damage from your interior, like such as drywall damage or having to get repainted. And sometimes I've seen leaks cost upwards of $20,000 worth of damage.
Wow. So let's talk a little bit about what BVI's actual warranties are.
Yeah, so BVI offers a 25-year bumper-to-bumper warranty that covers your installation workmanship, the roof penetrations, and the equipment. And what that means is that if anything happens to your system within 25 years, it is covered in full. Likewise, we're backstopped by CertainTeed, a century-old company. So if anything does happen to BVI, such as we retire in 10 years, you still, as a homeowner, have that warranty coverage from CertainTeed for the entire term.
I've got a feeling that's not going to happen. So there's no reason to be scared out of going solar. It's just important to understand the warranties that are being offered to you when you're looking at your solar bids. You can find a quality company with the best warranty in the business when it comes to BVI Solar.